friends, it's Christy. Welcome to Bentley Diddley Has Plans. In today's video, we are planning the week of April 18th through the 24th in my plum paper vertical columns. So let's get started. Alrighty friends, so this week I am using this little kit. It's called Happy Clouds. It's kit 120 from Orange Umbrella Co. And I'll show you I have here the full boxes. Very cute. And then we have the date headers. And then I have the mini kit, so I have sheet 1 and sheet 2. So this one has a weekend banner, 4 strips of washi, some scripts, and functional boxes. And then this one has a full box, more washi, appointment labels, and some deco boxes. Cute little doodles down there. Alrighty, so we are gonna dive right into this. I'm looking for, I think I'm gonna do this washi with the date headers. And so today is Easter Sunday, so happy Easter to everybody. We celebrated over at my brother's house. So we just got home and I thought, you know what, I am going to get this video filmed because I filmed a sticker haul video earlier in the day. And then we went over for Easter dinner. And I'm going to have a super crazy busy week. So I know if I don't just grin and bear it and get this done, then I won't get it done at all. Okay, so there we go. There's that. And then let's do the other side. This is really cute. We did have some rain this last week. And so it was kind of perfect that I have the happy clouds, and there may or may not be rain tomorrow night. I'm hoping there isn't because I do have a reception scheduled. It is outdoor, but we always have a weather backup. So if we have to move it indoors, we will. But that, of course, if we don't want to, we'd rather have it outdoors just because it's so nice. But we'll see what happens. So we'll have to play that by ear, but it's going to be crazy this week. Okay, so that is that. And then for highlighting my walk area, which I don't know that I'll get many walks in, let's see. Okay, I pulled this Tombow. It's N60 because I thought it kind of had sort of this grayish bluish feel that the little cloud has. So I'm going to go ahead and highlight that. Thought it played nicely off the pink too. Like I don't want to get too pink with this, which you know it's easy for me to get too pink all the time. Okay, and let me turn this upside down. So let me know how you spent your Easter if you celebrate Easter. Emma and I came home from our quick little trip last night, and so it's just the two of us. Scott and Sophie stayed up at the cabin, so they're still up there. Okay, so now I'm gonna put this washi down next. So they'll be home tomorrow. Oh, I like this. I'm glad I did like that grayish blue color because it picks up the little raindrops in this washi. Thought that'd be cute. Okay. So we had a really nice visit with one of my younger brothers. So that was really fun. But yeah, it's just been so busy at work. But once I get through the next 2 days, May should be a little bit calmer for me. I have a couple of events that I need to find locations for, and so I need to really get on that. Okay, so for my to-dos, I think I'm going to use my Fern Creek stickers, because I thought it was kind of a fun bouncy font and kind of went well with the font in the date strips and just kind of the general feel of the little kit here. I love it because it's perfect for April, right? April showers bring May flowers. That's how the saying goes. So we've got this. I can't wait to have a couple of days off. It's going to be really fun. Okay, so there's that. And then for my little check boxes, I'm going to pull these little check boxes. I think 3 is good for the week since I know we are not around. So I think I'm going to be good there. and it's going to be so busy at work. It's not like I'm going to have a lot of time. Like I'm working Monday night, probably late. So it's not like I'm going to be able to come home and get, you know, errands or chores done. So I'm just going to go ahead and put this down here like this. These are great because Saya did these in 3s and 4s. So I have a sheet of each, just depending on how busy the week ahead is going to be. It's perfect. Okay. I love these. Again, that's from Saya Planning, little check boxes. Okay. Now I'm going to put some washi down. So let's see. I've got a pink weekend banner here and I've got a gold one. So I have to decide if I want to put the clouds up here or down here. I kind of feel like, I think I'm going to put this leaf pattern up top just because it's a little lighter. And I'll use the clouds, which is a little like darker in color. I'm just pulling this closer so I can see. And I'll put that down below to kind of anchor the spread. And I'll use the pink, I think I'll use the pink weekend banner. So, okay. So I'm watching the new Marvel series called Moon Knight. Let me know if any of you are watching it. Ethan Hawke is in it and Oscar Isaac. It's interesting, although it's a little confusing. I don't know if I'm really into it yet. My friend Francis, who has me watching it, is really into it. Okay, so do I want to go gold on gold or do I want to do the pop of pink? Let's see. I kind of feel like, let me see. I'm going to peel this one off a little bit and just kind of see what it looks like. I kind of feel like you know me, I like the pop of color. Yeah, I kind of want the pop of color, I think. Let me put this one back. We can save that for another week. I always, oops, don't tear it. Always like to have a little bit of color there. Perfect. Okay, so that's that. And then I'll go ahead and just put the bottom down. Now I have to make sure I put this up the right way because they've got cute little faces. See the little happy clouds? They're so cute. Oh, I'm going to want to white out that gray a little bit because I can kind of see it because of the white background. Even if I'm not perfect in my whiteout, which you know I'm never perfect in my whiteout, at least it takes some of it down so you don't see it quite as much. Okay, that's better. And we'll put this here. Some more whiteout. Let me turn this upside down. And then I also watched that Disney movie. I watch a lot of Disney. Turning Red. My nephew thought it was funny. It was cute, but I kind of feel like Disney gives moms a bad rap. It was definitely kind of like, you know, it was a coming of age story and that was cute, but the mom was kind of overbearing and embarrassed the daughter, which is probably how my girls feel. So I have mixed feelings about it. I don't know that I liked it. I don't know that I disliked it. I just kind of feel like it was kind of hard to watch. Okay. Oh, I like that. That looks cute. I'm glad I did the pink because I want the little bit of color there. Okay, so I am going to go ahead and highlight the week that I'm in. You can see, can you see that, friends? The green that's kind of coming through from my dots from the week before. Okay, so there's that. And then looking at my little boxes here, I pulled one of my Simply Smith quotes because I wanted to use this Just Breathe sticker because that's something that happens to me when I'm really focused and concentrating. I forget to breathe, and I thought I would lay it on one of these. So let's see. I want to see if I have enough. Oh, I do. I'm going to use the rest of this. So I'm going to put it on like this one here, like one of these that doesn't have like a print that I don't mind covering up. So I'm going to put this. This is like not quite enough, but I'm just going to use it anyway, just because I want to say that I used up all of my washi there. Okay, so then I'm going to put this down. Let me get some white out on this. Okay, so I'm going to put this down. Okay, and then let's finish off with the rest of this. Let's see, I think it goes this way. Cute. Okay, and then I wanted to do the Just Breathe so that I can remind myself to breathe this week when we're running around like crazy. Okay, so that's that. Alrighty, and then I did pull a habit tracker from Orange Umbrella Co. I thought, again, this kind of color here, kind of that gray blue, would look good. Okay, so let's get this down. This week, and then let's pull my habits from Saya Planning. I wonder if I should read when I'm on the plane. Although now that I figured out how to use my noise canceling headphones, I have a pair of headphones. They're those noise canceling kind, and I didn't know how to use them for the longest time. I won them at like our holiday party for work. It was, one of the raffle prizes that I won. And I'm like, I really need to figure out how to use these. And so the last time I had to fly, I did use them, and they worked out really, really well. So I had downloaded a show, and this little paw here is from Saya as well. I'm going to put that there for Otis. And was able to watch some shows while I was on the plane. Okay, so that's that. And then let's take a look at our scripts. There's a this week, I know. Next week, clean house, pay bills. There it is. And then let's I want to put it on, let's see, we'll put it on this. The girls won't have any practices that they're going to because we're going to be leaving. So I'm just going to put that down and leave that like that. Okay, that looks looking good. Alrighty, so now I want to go ahead and put my dots in for my tracking of my rings. So we go red first, and then green, and blue last. These kind of shadow through the paper a little bit, but it doesn't bother me too much. Okay. So now that's all set up there, and then let's start getting into my busy week. So, you know what I can put for this week? My girls are on spring break, so just like I did last time, I'm going to put this here. This is the last half of their spring break, so I'll put that there. Okay, now, Monday is a full day of meetings, so I'm going to put this here, and that's kind of got my whole little schedule there. And then we've got 2 events in the evening, so like I said, it's going to be a late night. This reception here doesn't end until 10. Well, it ends when they decide to end. So okay, so that is that very, very busy day, and I feel like I want to give myself, I don't want to put these little rain clouds because I'm afraid that it'll rain on my event. So you know what, I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to put this little guy down because it's going to be starry and everything's going to go perfectly well. So I'm going to put that there. And then this is my ledge day. So we've got a lot going on that day. And I pulled this little doodle girl from Planner Kate because I wanted to put her down because this will be me in my little suit. I don't wear skirt suits, I wear pantsuits because I'm running around like crazy and wearing a skirt suit is too hard. Okay, so there's that. And then Wednesday is when we start our vacation, and I wanted to pull from the Stick Babes. I marked this page here because I found this vacay sticker in gold. So I'm going to take that out and let's put it on. Let's see, let's use, do I have one of these fun ones? Yeah, let's do this. I'm going to put this here, and then I'm going to fill in off camera. I'm going to fill in our flight information. I'm going to put it here. Just because I'm thinking I might fill in with a full box down here. Maybe I'll just put it right here. And then I also found in this little book, I was going through it, this cute little girl with travel. And I think, let's do this one with the lavender suitcase. She's so silly. I'm going to put her like this. Another little doodle friend. That's cute. Okay, so then on Thursday, we have an early morning campus. What I found is the campus tours there's like usually one in the morning and one in the afternoon. So I did both of the tours that we're doing in the morning, just because that way we can have the afternoon to check things out in the area. Okay, so that's that. Phew, and then we come home on this day. So I could put just like another big box and I'll fill it in with flight information off camera. So there's that. And then let's take a look at the scripts, because I know that, yeah, here it is. I was like, I know there's a trash day. So I'm going to put that right here on Wednesday. And then what else do I have going on? I think that's it in terms of scheduling things. And so now I want to go ahead and put Otis's meds down all across the top here. I love having these here. I'm going to have to order another sheet from Say It. And I love this font in all lowercase. It's so cute. Okay, so that's that. Oh my gosh, I can't believe this week is finally here. I have been saying to myself, I just have to get through to this week. I just have to get through. Do you do that, friends? Like when you know you've got like big projects or deadlines coming and it's like all you can do to just get through to it and get on the other side of it, I guess is so to speak, what I'm trying to say. Okay, so there's his meds. And then what else do I have that I want to put in here? I think that's it for now. I'm going to leave a lot of open space. I've got, oh, I know, there's this all staff meeting. So I'm actually on vacation, but it's towards the end of the day. So I'm thinking I might try to just call in, because they're going to have a call-in line if I'm somewhere, you know, stable where I can get on the phone, just because I want to hear the updates. Okay, I don't have a payday because I did that last week. We'll fill those in, do laundry and clean house and all of that when I get home. So I think that's it. So friends, I'm doing pretty good. So I have all my full boxes that I'll fill in with. I've got a couple more functional boxes, some scripts here, cute little icons there. And then I also have another full box here, as well as some more decorative things, a couple of appointment labels. Not that any appointments are going to pop up, but so yeah, this is great. I've really started to kind of get my groove with these mini kits, and I love that so much comes packed onto just these two sheets, and then like add some full boxes, or maybe, you know, and then adding the date strip headers. I mean, this worked out really, really well. So this is kind of a cool way to kind of have like a set grouping of stickers. So, alrighty. So I think that's it, friends. Alrighty, that's my week. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and hit subscribe so you can catch future content on my channel. Thanks for watching, friends. Take care. Bye-bye.